Hello and welcome to this data service instructional video. Today we're going to be going over Progress Book, the parent portal side of Progress Book. So the parent portal can be found at www.progressbookde.com, and once you've typed that into your web browser, it should land you on this homepage, which is Progress Book's homepage. You can see there's lots of information on this homepage. Here on the right are our participating schools. Now these schools might change over time, but this video is likely not to, so please make sure you check to see that your school is on here on the actual page. Do not use this video as a reference to what schools are participating because that can change over time. Down here we've got some information about Progress Book and Mastery-Based Learning, and then there's a short video here on Mastery-Based Grading, which is tied to Mastery-Based Learning. And if you'd like more information, there's a more information button down here at the bottom. If you click that button, it will take you to, currently it takes you to Colonial's webpage and gives you their information about Mastery-Based Learning and their timeline. Let's go back to our home page. If you'd like to see this web page in a different language, down here at the bottom there is the Google language selector, so you can select the language you would like to see on the page. Alright, now to actually log into Progress Book to see your students' data, you're going to come over here and you can either click on the login button in the top right, or you can click on the little blue login button here. So we're going to click on this button and it takes us to the login page. This should be your Progress Book Parent Portal login page. Now, if you do not have a password for Progress Book's Parent Portal, you need to set this up through your secretary at your student's school. We pull student password or parent passwords over from the Home Access Center, so we actually do not have the ability at Data Service to change your password. Your password must be changed through your secretary. That way the secretary can make sure and verify that it is you that is changing your password. We do this for security purposes. So once you know your password and your username, you're going to type in your username at the top, and then your password at the bottom. Feel free to click the Remember Me button so it remembers you every time you log in. And then you can click the login button. Alright, so once you log in, you should see however many students you have that are currently using Progress Book, whose teachers are currently using Progress Book. And it'll tell you the student's school and their grade, and it should have the student's name. And here at the bottom, it gives you a redirect. So if you have a student in middle school or high school and you would like to go to eSchool's Home Access Center, you can click on the link here at the bottom and it will take you there. Across the top here, we've got, you can click and come back to this dashboard. You can click the help, which takes you to the help section. Or if you'd like to give us some feedback, we would appreciate it. You can click on the feedback and it takes you to a feedback form. There's a few quick questions on that feedback form. And if you'd like to go and move on and see your students' progress, you can click on this little graph here and it will take you to your students' progress. So that's how you log in to the Progress Book Parent Portal. Please tune in for our next video that shows you how to actually look at the data on the Progress Book Parent Portal and what it means. Thank you so much for watching.